Miss Leia Palea, Miss Sadem Aranas, and Miss Millionaria May Gladys Posadas. Para po kayo ay maglagay ng mga crown. Alam mo kasi partners,
yes.
Ngayon ay mga reyna na, sasabitan pati English na lang. Sasabitan na sila ng mga crown.
So, we will putting the crown of each candidate.
Yes.
Yes. Candidate number 1, please come over here.
Para magkasa sila.
Dito po, dito. Dito.
Ayan.
Just come closer. Come closer, please.
Ay, adjust your ano.
Adjust yourself po, may distansya.
Adjust yourself according to your beauty. Diba?
We're just having fun here.
For Miss January, will receive sash, crown, cash, and with a photograph from JW. Lahat na
Yes.
nila yung award, okay?
Yes, and we would like to acknowledge also again the official photographer of Calendar Girl Miss Calendar Girl 2025, Mr. John
Graham Moore.
Yes.
Ayan, partner, tig-isa-isa. Andito na po ba ready na Miss Lucena and Miss Jane Marceleno? And ready na po kayo, please come over na para naman matapos tayo ng madali. Please na, come here na. Leia Palea, Sadem Aranas, Millionaria May Gladys. Okay, dito po tayong lahat. So pag tinawag namin ang pangalan nyo, you will stand on the front, okay? For the Miss Calendar Girl, goes to, of course, candidate number 1. Doon ka na, Miss Calendar. Jane and Crown. Ayan. Ayan. Wala si Lucena? Okay, sila lang kung sino yung nandito. Tuloy-tuloy nyo na yung mga madam sa lahat. Okay, tawagin natin si Miss Sadem Aranas, Millionaria Mini. Please stand by here. Ayan, congratulations. And ayan, di ba? Ang crown, huwag kakalimutan. Binigay ko. Ayan, meron po silang envelope from Smart Pay. Ayan, ang picture huwag tatakpan ang mukha. And of course, that is our Miss
January.
Thank you very much. Okay, next. Miss February goes to none other than
Candidate number 2.
Ayan, candidate number 2. Kayong dalawa, pakita lang kayo. Ayan, ang gaganda ng mga presenters natin, hindi ba? O, na talagang nagam sila. O, ayan, congratulations. Sige, bilisan natin. Huwag madadapa. Ayan, thank you very much. Please be ready, organizer, for the next.
Our next month will be candidate number 3. Calendar for the month of March.
Samahan niyo siya. Ayan. Okay. Ayan, thank you very much. Yes. Mr. Yanis Dimitriou, would you like to do the honor to give your envelope to the candidates, please?
Yes, sir. We would like to acknowledge your presence to come over here on the stage to present the award for the month of April.
Sila na lang. And next, Miss April. Candidate number, January, February, March, April. Number 4.
Yes, that was candidate number 4, Miss April. Thank you. Let's proceed to our candidate number 5.